Heroes.
What up, my little chipmunks? Did you guys know that I sneeze money? Money. That's right, I sneeze money. I mean, just look at this clip of me standing right here before, like 5 minutes ago, I think. Just watch it, yeah. Awesome. Yeah. $1 bill. I sneezed like 3 other times today. That's why I have $4. Awesome. Ow, paper cut. Oh, that hurts. As you guys know, I'm magic. So I'm gonna make my money disappear. I wonder if that's a good idea. I can reappear back when I want it. Now, watch this. Voila. This is just a short little vlog on how I sneeze money. Salutes to all my chipmunks and my astronauts and my ladies. Peace.